I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making Nutella cups. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. If you're a faithful compadre, and I hope you are, you'll know that in every episode I ask for suggestions for future episodes. And as often as I can, I take those suggestions because you guys are awesome, and I appreciate your support. Well, tonight we're doing another episode suggested by a compadre, specifically my brother. When he saw the Nutella fudge episode, he asked, and I quote, "We've seen peanut butter cups and marshmallow cups, but where are the Nutella cups?" It was a brilliant question, and the answer is right here. It's a super simple recipe, and I really think you're going to enjoy it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Nutella cups, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 1½ cups of chocolate, 3/4 of a cup of Nutella, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm also using some bowls, a silicone mold, a cooling rack, some spatulas, a saucepan, and a sheet of SilPat. Okay, let's make some candy. Put the Nutella in a medium bowl and set it aside. Put the heavy cream in a small saucepan and set the stove to medium. Bring it just to a boil, and then pour it over the Nutella. Add the salt and mix the ingredients until they're combined. Refrigerate the ganache for about half an hour. Temper or melt the chocolate, put the mold on a rack, and fill the cavities almost to the top. Push the chocolate all the way up the sides. Flip the mold over and let the chocolate drain out onto the SilPat. Tap the bottom of the mold to help the chocolate find its way out. Clean the rack. Tidy up the mold. Then leave the chocolate in the mold and on the SilPat to set. Spoon some of the ganache into a chocolate cup, keeping it below the top of the cup. You can use the back of a wet spoon to press it down if necessary. Repeat with the rest of the cups. Remelt the chocolate that was drained onto the SilPat. Spoon the chocolate onto the ganache, making sure you get full coverage. And leave it on the counter until it's set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. This is every bit as good as I hoped it would be. And of course, my brother had a great idea again. It's super simple, only 2 flavors, chocolate and Nutella, but they just go so well together. If I was gonna change anything, I'd probably add some chocolate to the ganache to firm it up a bit, but other than that, it's perfection. If you're a fan of chocolate and Nutella, and I know a lot of you are, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. You'll know that in every episode, yes, that's a good way to start. We've seen peanut butter cups and marshmallow cups, but